Hello, my name is Jim Henderson, Sales Director at ThermoTec Incorporated. We're a manufacturer of heat control products with about any kind of heat problem, control problem you might have. Today I'm here at Motor State Distributing up in Michigan and conducting sales seminars to talk about our products, what categories we have, what you can do to solve any particular problem you might have, and also show our new products. Number one is our exhaust insulating wrap category. That's probably our biggest category. That features the exhaust wrap, as most of you know that might carry our products. Exhaust wraps can be used to wrap headers, to control heat. And what it does, by wrapping your headers with exhaust wrap, for it be a 4 or 6 or 8 cylinders, you can move the heat through faster. It reduces a lot of that underhood temperatures, that are in that exhaust pipe. So it maintains the temperature, pulls it out, reduces underhood temperatures, which benefits, all parts of the engine. The original wrap is a brownish color. We also have the black, and we also have the copper. Now the black and the original, the brownish color wrap you're probably familiar with, is basically the same thing. It's just got the black has the black pigment on it to give it the black color, which a lot of people like, especially the motorcycle guys. They like the black on their motorcycles. Our newest product in the exhaust wrap line is copper, which is it's the fiberglass silica wrap, no asbestos at all, that has copper woven into the process. Our weave is an E-glass material, not just straight fiberglass, more of a step-up fiberglass. It's called E-glass. That gives it a little more stronger fiber. It's woven tighter to make it last longer, and it's proven that it'll help move that heat through a little bit better. Secondly, we put a chemical in the process that in all the wraps that is designed to help the wrap move the heat through faster because it flows better once it's got that chemical on it, and also makes it last longer too. So if you look at any kind of fiberglass, and they're all a little bit different, but ours is with our weave and with our materials in it, our chemicals, makes it a little bit better and more productive. Our latest product in the exhaust wrap category is our clamp-on heat shield, which is designed to keep heat from going in a certain direction. It features the clamps here, that set on the exhaust pipe. Comes as a kit, so you take the stainless steel straps and weave it through there, and it sits on an exhaust pipe like this. So if you've got a starter, for example, that's real close to it, it keeps that heat from going up. It'll go somewhere else, but it won't go near that starter. Second category I want to talk about is our heat protection products, and it's a little more simpler to understand. It's like products that protect parts, sensitive parts, like for example, exhaust wrap categories, they insulate the heat and keep heat inside and move it through. With heat protection products, it does the opposite. With our reflective products, it helps, the foil side helps reflect the heat. So when it comes out a part, it reflects the heat and reflects it away to somewhere else. And they all have the nice fiberglass type of lining into it. It comes in various forms with adhesive backing if you would need that. You just peel it off and stick it. As most of our products are that I've talked about and we'll talk about going forward, they're all universal. They're not designed for specific parts, so it makes it real easy for you, the dealer and the customer to understand that if you buy a battery heat shield or a starter heat shield, it's going to fit any starter, any battery, and you'll have plenty of material left over. So that's our heat protection products. We also have materials for like your fuel lines, brake lines. We have sheet materials you can put on your fuel tank, for example, to keep the gas cooler, the fuel cooler. And our third category that I want to briefly mention is it's been a very strong category for us, and that's our heat and sound control products. And we got 3 different ones that can control heat and sound coming into the vehicle, which has really been a big problem these days because vehicles produce more heat, with bigger engines and headers and tighter compartments. There's just heat that's got to go somewhere, and a lot of that heat comes inside the vehicle and also creates noise too. So the 3 products we have that I like to talk about, number one is we call it ThermoGuard FR. It's a materials that it's got a felt lining in it, felt insulation piece with a foil on the one side that keeps the heat out and also reduces noise, vibrations. Comes in nice 4-foot by 6-foot sheets. that it's easy to apply, very flexible. It works well with an adhesive spray too, which we have. We have a nice adhesive spray that is used to adhere it down to the floor. It sits down just right like this. It also comes in two-sided too, which for a little more heat control. So this is probably, somebody talks about heat and sound, I'd recommend ThermoGuard. It's 4 foot by 6 foot, very reasonably priced. And the nice thing about it is that it's non-flammable. You won't have to worry about this thing catching fire or flaming up. Our second product we'd like to talk about a lot is our suppressor product. It's a thinner product, but works very well for sound. We've got the foil on the one side of it, and the inside is a nice asphalt type of adhesive, which really sticks well. It comes in 3 foot by 5 foot sheets. It comes in nice packaging, and as all our products do, as you see. It makes nice packaging, they stand out, and they sell the product themselves. But this works real well. You can put these products on doors, floorboards, especially trunks, hoods, even the under the hood of a car help. And it'll reduce noise and control heat, and that's what you want to do. Our top of the line product is what's been in the line for the longest, and that's our basically cool insulating mat. Now this features two-sided foil. It's got the fiberglass lining in it, kind of like Uritic, but it does a real good job for heat and sound. And if you're looking for the ultimate piece for heat and sound, the cool insulating mat would be it. A lot of people have asked us, about covering their muffler. And we have never really had a product that would do a very good job with that. Our exhaust wrap would work, but it may not last long being underneath the vehicle with the road conditions, etc. So we need to find something that can do that. And why would you want to wrap your muffler? Basically to keep the heat from going up into the engine. And also reduce the noise a little bit. So we come up with a product called Kevlar. Kevlar is a material that everybody's heard of Kevlar and how high strong it is. Kevlar features a nice backing that can handle 1200 degrees of direct conductive heat. And that will take the heat of a muffler itself, just about any of them. And of course, it's got the nice mylar foil on the outside to protect it. And it comes in a universal kit. It comes with a stainless steel strapping that allows you to, to put it together on the 3 sides so it holds. It looks real nice. Our other new product is something that a lot of people have asked for. It's our new express sleeving. It comes in Velcro, so it makes it real easy to use if you want to, an easy way to protect a fuel line or a brake line, and you don't really have the means of taking the end off of it to slide our regular sleeving products over it. So we have come up with a new product called Velcro sleeving, which is really easy to use. You can see it has a nice fiberglass lining. And this Velcro works really well. You can take it off like this, as a flat sheet, put it around that fuel line or brake line or air conditioning line, oil line, anything like that. You want to keep the heat off of, this will work. And you can see the outside of it is a nice mylar foil material. And the way it works, you just comes in 3 foot, 12 foot, or you can see this 50-foot roll, as all our products do. And you just Velcro it around, just like that. And it can work, this particular size can work maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches, so it does have some flexibility. And we also have available in a small size, which is 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. A lot of people think that when they buy exhaust wrap, they call us and say, I didn't know you needed coating or you needed straps. Do you have those? They didn't tell me when I bought the roll of it, just like that. Well, we have them now available in kits. Comes in nice packaging like this. It comes with, what's in a kit? It comes in 2 ways, either black or the original brown, and it can come with either 1 roll of exhaust wrap, 2 inch by 50 foot, or 2 rolls of exhaust wrap. Obviously the 1 roll will be for the small 4-cylinder, 2 rolls would be for the 6 or 8-cylinder. And in the kit, you get the wrap, you also get the coating. We have coating in two styles, black or we have the silver. And what the coating does is give the wrap, it's a nice product to use to give the wrap a better look, more consistent color, but the main thing is to give it a protective coating. Because obviously exhaust wrap can be exposed to dirt, oil, water, things like that. And what the coating does is give it a protective coating to make it last a little bit longer, and obviously if it lasts a little bit longer, it's going to perform better. And then to complete an exhaust wrap kit job, you obviously got to secure the wrap down somehow. It's a roll of wrap, 2 inches. You roll it, you know, in the end, you got to strap it down. Our snap strap is a great product, all stainless steel. It's got a unfailable lock on it. You just slide it right through, very easy, like a zip tie. And what that does, it's not going to come loose at all. If you have any questions at all, you know, just feel free to call us at any time or call Motor State. They carry all of our products, and we appreciate the opportunity.